Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming to this video. So I placed an order with Amazon Prime Wardrobe and I just wanted to share it with you guys because I thought it was a really cool thing that maybe not everyone knows about. If you guys are interested in hearing about Prime Wardrobe and seeing what I ordered, then let's get into the video. Alright, so if you are like me, shopping on Amazon all the time, you definitely have Amazon Prime, then you should definitely take advantage of the Prime Wardrobe. So it's basically a try before you buy type of situation. There's only certain items on Amazon that you can do this with. They're gonna say Prime Wardrobe on the bottom, kind of where it says Prime. So basically how it works is that you choose up to 8 items that are Prime Wardrobe, and they don't charge you yet for them. They'll ship those 8 things out to you. Once you get them, you have 7 days to decide if you want to keep them or not and ship back what you don't want, and then they'll charge you for what you are keeping or just not charge you at all if you send all of it back. So it's a great way to kind of try things on and see if they fit, see if you like them, and if you don't, you just send it back. They don't even charge you, so you don't have to deal with money coming out of your account and then money coming back in if you're returning something. I don't know why I've never done it before. I feel like finding it is a little tricky. So basically what I have found that works, I'm gonna screen record for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. So I'll go onto my Amazon. Let's say I'm looking for a sweatshirt. So I'm gonna type in sweatshirt for women. So then in the filters, you just wanna go and scroll down. You can see Prime Wardrobe. So just select Prime Wardrobe. And then it's going to come up with all these things. So let's say I want to try this one, this Lucky Coca-Cola sweatshirt. You select your size. Then it tells you right there, 32, 31 after 7-day try on. You have to add it to your Prime Wardrobe cart. And then that's a separate cart. You can add up to 8 things in that cart at a time. I just wanted to show you that because I was kind of confused at first how to find things that are Prime Wardrobe and how you add them to your cart. So you just want to make sure that it's your Prime Wardrobe cart. If you end up adding it to your regular cart, it's just going to charge you. It's not going to do the try before you buy. So I got my order. It comes with this little card thing that says Prime Wardrobe, try before you buy. Very easily explains how it works. You have 7 days to decide what you love. Then you return it. They send you this return label to put on the bag. So it makes it very simple, very easy. So now let me show you guys what I got. So this first thing is the Amazon brand Daily Ritual Women's Super Soft Terry Sleeveless something. And this was $34. Or it is $34 if I want to keep it. This is a medium. They didn't have any small. So I feel like it might be kind of big because it's very, very stretchy. It is really soft though, so that's nice. But it's this like long jumpsuit kind of thing. I thought it looked really cute, but I don't know about like things like this usually look not good on me. So I wanted to try it. So we'll see when I try it on, but I feel like it's really long. Like this is supposed to be at your waist and I feel like it's going to be at my hips. So we'll see about that. So this one's actually really cute. I thought it was gonna look funny on me. I think it might be a little big. I think a small one might have been better. This part doesn't go too low. You just tie it where you want it and this kind of hangs over. But I think it's really cute. It's so soft and comfortable. It's got these nice pockets. I think at least lounging around at the house, I would definitely wear this. Don't know about like wearing it out and trying to make it look like a cute outfit. I feel like maybe that's not for me, but yeah, I think it's really cute. Next is this Amazon Essentials Women's Lightweight Lounge Long Sleeve. So it's just kind of like light blue. It's got a tie at the bottom. I thought it looked really cute, and this one was only $13. So for something so basic, I thought that was a nice price, and it feels pretty soft. It's not like the softest thing in the world, but all right, so this one I like. I had to pull the drawstring in pretty tight to make it kind of form-fitting right there or else it just looked weird. I like the color. I think this one was like $11, so yeah, I just think it's a nice simple top. Ooh, this feels really soft. This is the Amazon Daily Ritual Women's Super Soft Terry Long Sleeve. So it's got like a rounded bottom and it's just really nice light pink color. It has a hood. It's really soft and like just seems really comfy. So I think I'm gonna like that as long as it fits. Oh, and that one was $27. I feel like this one's trying to be cute. I like the idea of it. I like the color. It's really soft, but it's that kind of material. It just wants to like cling in all the wrong places. So I feel like it's just not flattering. I don't think I'm gonna keep it just because of that, even though it could have been really cute, but you know what? Unless you have a perfect body, I don't think this one works. So sad. Next is the Daily Ritual Women's High-Rise Skinny Jeans in black. So these just look really nice. They feel nice. I love high-rise jeans. That's like pretty much all I wear now. These were only $16.99. So I thought it was definitely worth a shot trying them on. So we'll see if the size fits. Because that's one thing too, is like you don't know how the brand's sizing works, but we'll see. These jeans are so nice. They're really high-rise, which I love. They're just really nice and black. They're kind of stretchy, so they're really comfortable. And they're really cute. They're only like $13. Like, yes, these are definitely a win. They did have more colors, but I think different colors got more expensive. But even if they were a little more expensive, I'd probably want to try some out because they're so comfortable. I love these. Next, I got the Jessica Simpson Women's Aria tie neck bubble sleeve top in red pear. This just looks really cute. I thought it might look good on me. I have no idea. So I'm gonna try that on. That one's a little more expensive. It's $33.69 for that top. Okay, so this one I'm not sure about. It's a little baggy. Like, I think it's really cute, but I'm not sure if it's too baggy on me. I think if it had like a little bit like of a waistline or something, I would like it a lot better. But I think the big sleeve and then this just being baggy, I just don't know if I like it. I'm on the fence. What do you guys think? Do you like this one or is it just not for me? Let me know. I'm excited for these. These are the Merica Cindy high-rise pocket ankle legging in tie-dye marble. I love leggings. I wear them basically every day and I love marble. So I just thought these looked really, really cute. These were $30. They're really soft and they feel like a thicker material that's not, I hate when leggings are just like so thin, they like don't like hold you in or anything. So these feel really nice. I'm so excited about these. Hopefully they fit because I really want to keep them. Hey, these are awesome. Like, they're so high rise. You could probably pull them up higher if you wanted to, but they have these amazing pockets. They feel really nice. They're so cute. I love these. They're like perfect. Ooh, this feels really soft too. This is the Amazon brand Lark and Row women's crew neck flutter sleeve knit top. So it's got these little cute like flutter sleeves. So I thought that would look really cute. Maybe I got it in black. There was another color that I really wanted, but they didn't have my size. So I just got it in black. This was only $11.28. So you can't beat that. So this top is really cute, but it's so soft and comfortable. I think the little flutter sleeves are really cute. Just gives a little something extra, not just a plain t-shirt. I would probably wear it like kind of tied up a little bit just to give it a little more shape instead of not be so baggy. But yeah, I really love it. I think I'm definitely keeping this one. The price was super good, so I love it. Next, I have the Levi's women's relaxed graphic sweatshirt. This was $29.70. It's really soft. I hope this fits because it's really cute. I'm so glad this fits like perfect. It's like the perfect like oversized, a little bit baggy sweatshirt. So cute, so comfortable. I love it. Definitely keeping this one. All right, so that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below if you have tried Amazon Prime Wardrobe and what you got. Did you find anything you like? Are you gonna try it out? I think it's just so cool that you can try it before you buy it. So I'm definitely gonna keep doing this. Please subscribe if you haven't already and ring the little notification bell if you wanna be notified when I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.